This crochet love emoji looks cute, but it's really easy. I'll show you how to make the emoji face and the simple cord, plus a small keychain size as a bonus. We are starting with the emoji base. It's worked in continuous rounds so we don't join each round. Make a magic ring and crochet 7 single crochets into it. In round 2, we increase in every stitch. That gives us 14 stitches. Now we are slowly shaping the ball. Round 3. Make 1 single crochet, then an increase. Repeat this 7 times. You will have 21 stitches at the end of the round. Round 4. Make 1 single crochet, then an increase. Then 1 more single crochet. Repeat this 7 times. You should have 28 stitches. And in round 5, make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Then make an increase and repeat this sequence 7 times. You will have 35 stitches at the end of the round. From round 6 to round 12, we just crochet 35 single crochets in each round. This part builds the height of the emoji. Now we start closing the shape. Round 13. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Then make a decrease. Repeat this 7 times. You'll have 28 stitches at the end of the round. Round 14. Make 1 single crochet, then a decrease. Then one more single crochet. Repeat this sequence 7 times. You should have 21 stitches at the end of the round. Round 15. Make one single crochet. Then make a decrease. Repeat this 7 times. You'll have 14 stitches. At this point, stuff the emoji firmly, but don't overfill it. Round 16. Make 7 decreases. Now make a slip stitch, cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Use a yarn needle to close the opening. For the face embroidery, I'm using small piece of brown yarn. I split the yarn and use 2 strands. You can use any color you like. Feel free to adjust to your style. First, we embroider the mouth. Then we embroider the eye and eyebrow. I show you one side, make the second eye the same way. Bring the yarn ends inside, tie a small knot, and hide the tails. For the cheeks, I use a little dry pastel. Blush works great too if that's what you have. Next, let's make the tiny hearts. If you'd like a more detailed heart tutorial, you can watch this video here. This time the hearts are even smaller, they are truly tiny. Start with a magic ring and chain 3. All stitches are worked into the ring. Make 2 half double crochet. 1 single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet, 2 half double crochet, chain 2, and and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn, tighten the ring, and hide the tails with the needle. Make 3 hearts total. I attach the heart to the emoji using glue. You can also sew them on if you prefer. If you don't have keychain hardware, you can crochet a simple cord instead. This cord works great for bags, charms or keychains. Fold the yarn in half and attach it to the top of the emoji. I'll use the bottom strand for yarn overs and the top strand to pull through. Keep going until the cord is the length you like. Attach the cord, secure the ends and hide all the tails inside. And your love emoji is ready. If you like cozy crochet projects like this, give this video a like and subscribe. I'll be really happy to see you here. And as a little bonus, here is the pattern for the smaller emoji.